Hello everyone, welcome back to Toys channel. Today I'm going to show you the rest of the Hot Toys figurines that I haven't shown you guys. So welcome back to part 2. As always, please kindly like the like button as well as subscribe to my channel for more great stuff like these. As well as I do other vlogs, other Hot Toys, Demon Slayer, Pokemon, etc. So tune in and stay up to date on my channel. So without further ado, let's go!
Alright guys, as I've covered my initial thoughts with the previous video with the official photos from Hot Toys, I'm going to elaborate on some of those points as the figure looks even better in person. Right off the bat, for the gold and black suit Spider-Man, I want to discuss the head sculpt. This looks very similar to the one that we've got for the upgraded suit from Far From Home, and on the left forehead you can still see the dangling hairs with the Tom Holland sculpt, and I'm guessing this suit is one of the more initial ones for No Way Home that Peter Parker upgrades to, and this of course will be one of the many suits that will appear in the film. You get the usual extra pairs of hands and eyes, and also with the sorcery magic pieces here in blue. It does seem fairly little in terms of quantity, as you can see there are only 3 blue circular effect pieces complemented with a string of the blue web. I was really hoping Hot Toys would have included maybe an extra set so Peter could shoot his sorcery magic out from both hands at the same time. With this black and gold suit, I've mentioned previously that I like what they've done here in terms of having the subtle tech motif that sits in the black areas of the suit, and these would look amazing if they're reflective to the UV lights, similar to what they've done with the previous Black Panther figure. And as this figure is still pending for final approval, I think they can still have room and the time to change things here and there, the minute details, and I'm just looking forward to the final version of this figure. For the arms, the gold pieces look stunning, and it really reminds me of the motif of the eye accessory that Doctor Strange has on his neck, and it really goes well with the gold web linings with the top half of the Spider-Man suit. Again, I love all the tech layer that lies under the golden web linings because it gives an extra depth to the suit overall. I'm not so sure about the red parts they've used for the fingers and for some of the underarm areas. Maybe I'll need more time to get used to this color palette here. As the figure is still not finalized, I will film another video for you guys when they have updated on the figure itself.
And that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching, and please remember to like the like button as well as subscribe to my channel for more vlogs, Demon Slayer, Hot Toys, Marvel, Pokemon, etc. So see you guys next time. Stay safe and see ya!